From improving education and healthcare to boosting the economy to a more cohesive relationship between the legislature and the administration, these are just some of the issues several island residents hope to hear tonight as Governor Eddie Calvo delivers his second State of the Island address. For Ivan Carbolito, he says the governor has been transparent not only with his weekly addresses, but with trying to reach out to residents any way possible.
I want to hear from him that he's doing the hospital. He already accomplished tax and revenue, income tax, and I want him to tell us the truth, what more do you need for the Department of Education. We got to inform the people, because people talk and talk and talk, but if you don't have the beef is money. This governor cannot do anything.
Fulfilling the current obligation of paying back millions of tax refunds is definitely one of the highlights of Governor Calvo's first year in office. But he isn't expected to discuss just a typical list of achievements, but will focus on three key messages of improving services, fighting poverty, and building a new economy and the community of the future. Aston resident Joanna Bloss and Lati Heights resident Vince Atelig concur that Governor Calvo has a lot on his plate, but more should be done.
Well, he has accomplished what I have seen is all this tourism, GVB, which is part of our economy. So, with that, I really, we need something, our revenue here in Guam, so tourism is one of them.
Before, we don't have that many people that are homeless. I don't know why is it that we have that many percentages. There's something wrong with the family. There's a family breakdown, probably. And but whatever the governor suggests, he's our governor, and I think we should support him. Otherwise, we are the ones that are suffering.
The address also is set to lay out a very aggressive economic agenda that pulls together government efforts, private sector growth, foreign investment, and the federal relationship, something that Daguito resident Art Hamister looks forward to listening to.
Haven't heard much on the build-up lately as well, and we hear a lot from the federal side, but not much from the GovGuam side. Are we still looking at the roads, even the hospital as well? So quite a lot on the plate, but overall, for him, he's done a lot in the first year, and I look forward to even more as the year goes by.
Although the governor and the legislature have had their share of disagreements, island residents like Daguito resident Joaquin Sablon feels Governor Calvo has achieved much in his short time at Adelup, but feels more can be done if both branches of government can work harmoniously.
Well, really, first of all, what I really believed in, if we're going to go forward, if we really want to go forward, we need the cooperation of the legislature. That's a priority.